Hello, I am Sumit and I belong to the state of Punjab, India. I have completed my Bachelor's of Commerce with specialization in accountancy and finance from Christ Team to University, Bangalore. Currently, I am working as an audit associate in a Big Four public accounting firm called EY. With academic background in accountancy and gaining a full-time professional experience at staff level from EY GDS, I have come to the conclusion that CPA is a must in this field for growth. I am sharing this video to outline my interest in postgraduate certificate in accounting full-time course offered by the York University. Ever since I planned my higher education in Canada, York University has always topped the list with this specific course. I believe I am an ideal candidate for this course as I have a huge interest in public accounting and want to pursue my career as a professional accountant with a CPA designation. Further, having worked on various financial statements and with various clients, I have experienced this field, and to further enhance my knowledge and skill sets, I believe York University can make me capable for my future endeavors. Even after completing this course, I will also be eligible to apply for the postgraduate certificate in advanced professional accounting, the course which is also offered by York University. I believe achieving these certificates from York will be the first milestone towards my CPA career ahead. As promised by York University, I believe that this program will deepen my understanding of accounting while simultaneously sharpening the critical thinking, communication, and management skills. In addition, this course is designed with subjects which are significant to capture all the skills and education, but it will also grant me credits that are important to achieve the CPA designation. Hence, it will help me with my career goals and it makes me the ideal candidate. Thank you.